Tell me what you got on.
So guys, I've got these high heels on, and they're brown, and this bag is matching brown, and the cutest thing is that I have the horsey.
So why did you choose that?
Well, there's more bags that matches this, but I thought this one because it's quite small, and I don't really like big bags.
Oh, okay. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome back
Channel.
to our channel.
Channel.
Welcome back to our chubby bunny. Chubby chubby. Tingnan yung mukha, oh. Look, show your chubby bunny, babe. Is she chubby, yeah? Yeah. Where are we going?
Dentist doggy.
Dentist? Dentist? Are you sure?
No, dog.
Hmm? Wait.
He doesn't like that.
Doctor.
The doctor? Hey, good job. We are taking our baby Louie to the vet. At alam niyo ba, babiyahiin pa talaga namin yung vet kasi kailangan dun talaga sa vet na yun siya dalhin para ano tawag? How do you call it, Bob? He's still inside the warranty?
Yeah.
Kasi kailangan yun yung vet nila, yung gamitin. So, hindi kami makakapunta sa vet na malapit dito sa amin. So, it's 9:30 in the morning. Nadala na ni Daddy Mike si Ate Paris sa school kanina. Okay, let's go!
Come on, Louie.
Let's go, let's go! Let's go, let's go! Come carry Louie, Bob.
Ah.
Show here quickly.
I wanna carry.
No. No, so I wanna carry him. Hadlok mong ganit. Look! Daddy's carrying Louie. Come, Daddy. Come, say hi.
I wanna carry.
Yes. Say hi to Tita and Tito.
Yeah.
Stop.
Say morning.
Morning, puppy.
Stop.
We're going to the vet.
Have a look.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Daddy.
Shush. Lini is like, I wanna hold doggy. But she runs away. Ayan na yan. Baby.
Okay, come.
Okay, let's go. Ay, hindi ko na naubos yung kape ko.
Come back. Come on, buddy.
And like this.
Like that, yeah.
Wow. Say hi, Louie.
Like this.
He likes that.
Yeah, Louie loves it.
Alright, come, we'll go to
Let's go.
And you're stretchy.
Here, puppy.
Yeah. Louie is here, guys. Just in time. Diyan kami pupunta. Oh, the paperwork is here. Have a look, they got cat there, honey. Okay.
Come on, Ling. Hold that, hand.
Don't be scared. Hold that, hand. Ito rin taslakan niya bata. Look at that. Okay, Mooney Street Veterinary Surgery. It's okay, Baba.
Open door.
Ganda ba?
Yeah. Yeah, a bit of a drive.
Your phone number?
0405.
Yeah.
450.
Yeah.
Again, one more time before shopping. Anyway. Four small meals a day. Okay. Equivalent about 1 cup of dry with a tablespoon of wet with it, and just a little treat every time he goes to the toilet where he should. Just give him a little bit of jerky.
On the bean. He on the bean.
Good boy.
We on the bean.
Say good boy.
Good boy. Yeah,
He
he's good.
on the bean.
Say good boy.
He on the bean.
On the bean.
Is there any way what are you
Fishy.
Good boy.
I want
It might get a bit
fishy.
sore from that injection.
I want fishy.
Complains we went to just so much
Fishy.
How did you go, Louie?
How'd you go, big boy?
Dota, yeah.
Pat Louie?
So that was like vaccination, yeah?
Yeah.
So
And
dito
checkup.
tinurukan guys. Sabi
And
niya,
7-day check.
it will be ano daw, ano ko, sorry, on that side. But hindi siya umiyak.
But no, it's not
Good
scary.
boy.
It's not scary. You want to pet him?
So how much did that cost you, Daddy?
90.
90
14.
for the vaccination.
Papa.
Not for the checkup.
14.
Huh?
Not for the checkup. So I just wanted to...
Papa.
Oh, so
Now?
it's checkup separate?
Yeah, so now we can't return him.
Yeah, 'cause- yeah. Oh, apparently, so 7-day checkup, and the vet said he's all good. Yeah,
He's healthy.
no issues.
Here.
Yeah.
He said he's got big ears.
Yeah, big ears. You
We're
can hear us.
here.
He said he's got big
Well,
ears
here,
and
Mom.
sharp teeth.
We're here. We're here.
How about tongue?
Yes.
Long tongue?
I want water. I want water.
I think.
Okay, water. All right, you guys sit down now. Mama gonna strap you
No.
down. Yeah.
You're booked in for 10 o'clock. On Friday.
Oh yeah, I received a message.
And she was like, isn't your thing supposed to be... Did you say something?
We're going home now.
We're going.
Where are we going?
We're going home.
Home. That's right.
Good boy, Louie.
We're going home, Daddy.
It's okay, come sit down.
We're going home.
Tell Louie we're going home.
We're going home, Louie.
Big boy?
We're
Can you? Hey, say good boy. Tell him good boy. This is done well. Say good boy.
Good boy. Say good boy, Louie.
good boy.
Well done.
Oh, done, Lily. Don't wet Louie. Kakarating lang namin, guys. Naka-park lang. Ito ay gustong maglaro dyan. Louie. Louie, hey. Good boy. Alright, Palingling. Done now. Yay! Finito.
Good girl.
We'll go upstairs now. Napakainit. Grabe. Oh, that is it. Bere tayo ng pagkain ng ating Louie, guys. So, ayan yung binili ni Daddy Mike for him. Para siyang mga ganyan-ganyan, oh. Sabi dito, scrumptious chicken with veggies, fruit, plus rice. Hi, Louie! Sit! Ang atong baby sa lihin, takot eh. Lagay na ako ng tubig dito sa kanyang dry food, guys. Kasi kailangan siyang i-soften a little bit. Ito pala yung pa-outfit ko for today's video, guys. Sobrang natawa ko kaninang umaga. Kasi sabi ko ay Daddy Mike, alam nyo, kung kilala nyo ako, guys, kung nakasabay kayo sa channel natin, since sa Melbourne kami, gusto ko talagang mag-dress up. Alam niyo yung madamit-damit. So, yung mga damit ko dito, nasa stock lang sila, hindi ko sila nagagamit kasi iba talaga yung lifestyle or iba yung aurahan ng mga tao dito sa Brisbane. Pero kaninang umaga sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, gusto ko talaga ito siyang suotin. And I don't wanna look like overdress, ganun. Pero pang casual lang. So, yung ginawa ko, ayan, yan siya guys, short tapos, para siyang, tingnan sa harap, skirt. Tapos ito siya, hindi talaga to siya formal. Kasi, tingnan nyo, crop top to siya na long sleeve na blazer. So, ganyan siya tingnan. Tapos, nag-bag lang ako. Sabi ko Daddy Mike, wala na akong pakialam. Kasi alam niyo guys, nung nasa Melbourne kami, every time na pupunta kami somewhere, ganyan, parang normal lang sa akin na magsuot ng mga ganito. Pero pagdating ko dito sa Brisbane, like, iba-iba talaga. Parang nafe-feel ko na, parang naiiba ako kapag ganito yung suot ko. Parang anong tawag dito? Parang, ano ba to siya? Uy, parang pang daily, ganyan ang suotan. O, diba? Sabi ko sa sarili ko, I don't care na. Kasi ganito talaga yung gusto kong suotin. Gusto kong ilabas na yung mga damit ko kasi sobrang daming damit na hindi ko nasusuot, guys, because I feel like, ganito, ganyan ba. For now, wala na akong pakialam. Diba, okay lang din naman siya tingnan, diba? Hindi naman siya sobrang formal tingnan. Kaya pinalisan ko man ng ganito. I love it. Ayan. Sobrang gusto ko na itong suotin talaga. At alam niyo naman, stay at home mom tayo. So, hindi tayo lumalabas. So, wala tayo nasusuotan. Lene, it's okay with na? Got his food. Kinuha na namin yung pen niya kasi we don't think na kailangan niya yun, guys. It's pretty good naman. Baby Celine is having a nap, guys. And I was actually feeding her sa kwarto. Pumasok sa Daddy Mike kasi pinatry niya sa akin yung niluto niyang slow cook kagabi. Show Daddy, do So kagabi, naluto. Tapos, inano niya, nilagay niya sa, alam niyo yung, what do you call it? Plastic thing na yun? Resealable
Sandbags.
sandwich bags, yeah. Para alam niya, parang, ano ba?
I'm at 10.
10?
10, 300 grams each. So nearly 3 kilos worth of food.
So, bumangon ako, sabi ko kain. Kain ako.
Well, you got the best bag, I think.
Yeah.
Check if it's.
So, hana na?
Have a check.
Anyway.
Put your finger at night. Yeah. Hot.
Ayan. Kita niyo ba? Lamb. Not hot enough? Oopsie. So, napaka-excited niya ipatry sa akin. Kaya, sabi ko, kain ako. Tapos, hindi ako naluto ng ng kanin. Buti na lang bumili sa Daddy Mike nito nung grocery shopping yesterday. Ito kasi, ngunit talaga kasi may rice naman ako dito sa bahay. Pero kapag madalian, katulad nito ngayon na may ulam na, magandang mayroong ganito para handy na lang siya. Hindi na kailangan magsaing.
Tell me how it is. Lamb. With a bit of rice and soup.
Yes, sir. Yeah. So good. Did you listen to me? About not putting too much butter.
Tell him what you said.
Because last time, guys, nagluto si Daddy Mike nito. And he put barley, yeah? This is barley, yeah? Ano itong agay. Alam niyo yung ito? Ewan ko, isang sako siguro yung nilagay niya sa niluto niya. So, yung slow cooker, niulubo ba? Because there's so much barley in it. Parang wala ka nang makikitang, lamb, barley na lang lahat. Kaya sabi ko, di ba, don't do this again. Next time we do it, like, just put a little bit of barley because last time it looks like it's a dog's food. Natawa siya, guys. Kaya last night, minimize niya yung paglagay ng barley kasi it looks good now. See, you can see the lamb, you can see the barley, you can see the carrots and the patatas. So it looks parang masarap siya kainin ba? Masarap siya tingnan. Last time, guys, oh my god, sobrang daming barley. Parang barley na lang lahat tsaka sabaw. Maglilinis tayo ng mga bags.
Also for
Kasi after nating pick up in sa Paris, ay pupunta tayo ng post office, guys. So I sold 2 items sa ating eBay. And I'm going to clean it now. So this is the first one. Hindi ko pa na-condition yung kanyang canvas. But this is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 in monogram.
Right? They're also that'll also
Ayan
set
siya.
up a red flag. So just
Nice,
like I said,
linisan
just
natin.
if the husband
And
does
then the
have
second
that,
one
just
is
tell him not to basically
itong monogram na agenda cover in PM size.
And then you say, hey, do you mind?
Looks
Then again,
like
they'll be more than happy to, but if they hear
ayan, punas-punas lang ganyan para maganda siya tingnan pagdating sa customer. And then, oh, I gotta post.
They get concerned. And
Gotta
that's
post
they
this.
start blocking them and sending them through. So,
Ay, need pa talaga
but
sa
other than
yan.
that, if you build up
Isn't
that
this
way,
so
it'll be
cute,
perfectly
guys?
fine.
Oh my
Don't have any
goodness.
issues going forward.
Very lovely. But, binenta ko. So, yeah, post that one. Ito naman, nabenta ko sa Gumtree. And this Tivoli, ano laman eh. Tivoli GM ay pipick upin daw. We'll see. Kasi meron ng dalawa kahapon na nangin dyan sa akin. So, I'm not expecting too high sa mga customers natin pag pick up, guys. Hindi talaga makaka-rely sa kanila. But someone is coming this afternoon to pick this beauty. And then, meron pa akong isang ipopost na Gucci na sa loob ng part. Mamaya ko na kunin kasi natulog si baby Celine doon eh. And this one, the dust bag po, the Speedy. And, oh, this one thing, guys. So, nung pumunta ako ng post office the other day, kasi nakilala ko na yung may-ari ng post office na yan eh. So, nag-suggest siya sa akin since I'm using a lot of large na tough bags. They're actually $2 each. So, sabi niya, how about, you just buy in bulk. So, like 100 pieces of ganito. 100 pieces nito. Kasi, makaka-save ka kumpara sa paisa-isa. So, na-realize ko rin, oo nga naman, hindi sa ginagamit ko agad-agad yung 100 pieces yan. Kasi, how I wish, i-manifest natin, guys, na, ang 100 pieces na ganito ay magagamit natin in 1 week. That would be really nice. But, sabi nga, makaka-save ka kapag maramihan yung binili mo. So, binili ko isang box na 100 pieces. And then, I think that was for $120. So, it means I saved $80 already para sa packaging. So, sabi ko sa kanya, naku, sana mag-wish tayo na makabenta tayo ng 100 pieces. Otherwise, I'm going to end up with this empty, tough bags. Sabi niya, if you're not going to need them anymore, you can always bring them back kasi I can always sell them here sa post office, diba? So they're very nice. They became my friends. So they, help me out with my little business. So that's very good. Nilagay ko sa, sa garage kasi sobrang kinang-box. And kumuha lang ako nito kasi ito yung kakailanganin ko. And then, for my little stuff, katulad nito, since hindi ko siya mailalagay sa malaking pacto, meron ako ganito na binili. I think nakikita ko na ito siya sa inyo before.
Where's that?
So I can use this one. May saming thank you. Thank you.
Save it.
And then, asan ba yung may susulatan ako ng to and from. Ay, hindi ko na alam saan ko na ilagay. Ang dami ko ng mga abubots dito, guys. Ayan. So, ito, binigay din nila sa akin ito. So, address labels. So, ganyan. So, dito, to, and then from, and then stick ko lang yung label dito sa labas, and then that's it. So, I don't need to buy the packaging. Alam mo yun, like, every cent na masasave mo, it helps. Kasi pag marami yung cents, nagiging dollars na siya, diba? So, ganun lang. Discarte lang. Anyways, ito yung gamit ko. Panglinis. Anyways, it's leather conditioner. Glitz yung kanyang brand. And then, this is what I use for metal polish. Sa kanyang mga hardware para malinisan yung hardware at kintab-kintab. And just this. Ayan. So, I'm going to do this before magising si Baby Celine because in, I'd say, 20 minutes time, we have to go pick up Ate Paris. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you, Lord, for the blessings. Diba? May benta sa namin. Dito kami sa baba. Pipick upin na natin ang ating Ate Paris, guys. And, kumukulo sa loob ng sasakyan, guys. Mainit. Grabe. So, just turn it on. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Tingnan nyo kung gaano ka-dry. What happened?
It's the car.
The car is so hot. Kakagising lang din yan. Dinising ko kasi alis na kami.
We not the car.
Yeah.
We not the car.
The car is so hot inside.
No.
So we have to wait, okay? Wow, beautiful. Double chin, anak. Ay, nak, double chin ng anak. Oh my goodness, honey. Up.
So
Oh, hot, yeah.
The hot.
We have at Paris now, guys. Anak, where are we going?
To the what's it called? Dentist.
Dentist, yeah.
Get my teeth checked.
Yeah, at 4:30, my appointment sa Ate Paris dito, guys. Sa dentist na to. Close to our house lang naman. Yeah. So, pinick up namin siya sa school. We went to the post office, went to the bakery, and now dentist time. Actually, may ano pa kami, 15 minutes. But since bago kami dito, alam kong may mga paperwork na naman. No, this one. We're new here. Ayan, dentist.
I mean, this is my second time at
Smile, te? Wow, hindi na siya natatakot, ah. Malaki na talaga siya. Before, when she was little, natatakot siya. Okay.
Yeah, I was probably 4 years old. That's fine.
Correct. And now you are?
6 weeks later. Yeah.
Sit down, girls.
It's shiny. I like it shiny. I want to get some more puppy.
Oh, lovely.
Let me.
Lady girl.
Not here. Find you. Hide here. Where? See? What? Where's Ate? Here I am. Here I am.
Ate.
Howdy. I know. Hi.
It's dirty.
It's my turn. My turn?
Not yet.
Does it help out?
We have Louie downstairs. Sabi ni Daddy Mike na take him for a little walk. Dito lang naman sa driveway, guys. Kasi magpupupo yan siya. Ito ay takot. Ay, anak! Tingnan niyo, oh.
This doggy.
Yeah, don't be scared. Have a look. What do you think he's gonna do to you?
I was when I was to play the games.
Yeah.
Want to play?
It's okay. He's just walking. See?
I want to play my games.
Yeah. He's not feeling the best kasi naturukan kanina. Yeah. Tingnan niyo si Madam. Pinakita ko sa kanya ang bag. Pumasok siya sa kwarto. Kasi sabi niya, matching the shoes daw. Wow, beautiful shoes. Careful though.
I'm gonna go change to show you some shoes.
Iba na naman yung suot niya. Be? Show me. Tell me what you got on.
So guys, I've got these high heels on, and they're brown, and this bag is matching brown, and the cutest thing is that I have the horsey.
So why did you choose that?
Well, there's more bags that matches this, but I thought this one because it's quite small, and I don't really like big bags.
Oh, okay.
This is the typical
na dyan lang.
Okay, I'm gonna go get some groceries now.
Don't touch my mom. Good boy, Louie.
Louie. He likes it.
He likes
What do you say, Lini? What do you say to Louie?
He's eating his toes.
Yeah.
But your toes are out, he's going to eat yours too. It's okay.
Me too. Toy. Toy.
Ang ating Lini ay very takot man Dito sa loob ng bahay, nagpapakarga. Pero ngayon, slowly, ayan o. Malapit siya.
Wait, I'm biting my fingers.
Buggy. Louie. Let's go. Louie, look. Look. Ati.
My top. Louie, here. Louie. Louie, so cute.
Give that to Louie. Lini, girl. Call him.
Louie.
Give it to him.
Nah, give it.
He bites.
Yeah, he'll bite it.
He's
Don't tease him.
Louie.
Louie. It's okay. She's gonna get the bird.
Give it to him.
Nah, give it to him lang. Don't tease him lang.
Give it to me.
Like that, see? Oh.
Say Louie here. Go. No, put it in his mouth. Yay!
Good job, Lini.
Yeah.
It's a good boy, Louie.
Wait, what's the noise not here? What's the noise?
Huh?
What's the noise? That's the
There's no noise man na.
It makes noise.
Doesn't make any more.
It used to make noises, but I think it's break time.
He likes that bone, Mimi.
Say, good boy.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Sorry, Mom. Good boy.
Good job, Lini. Well done.
I found my hand.
Yeah, you touched him. Good job. You're so brave.
I can touch him too.
Right,
What?
see.
What's so cutie pie? What's cute? I'm saying cutie pie because he is a cutie pie.
Tingnan niyo.
He's a cutie. Get it!
Call him.
Let it go. Mimi, give him the bone.
Give it to him lang. Don't run. No, it's
Put it in
alright.
his mouth, put it in his mouth.
Let him.
Put it in his mouth.
Put it in his mouth. Ay, sus kanina. Good job.